Hello. Today I'm going to explain a potential problem that may happen when you try, especially in the first phases, to master Angular. Angular is extremely effective framework, and it works. It definitely saves create much better user experience, and do not waste bandwidth, and especially it's important when we are talking about growing market and of mobile devices, which usually is connected to the network via narrow connection channel. So the network communication speed become, pretty important. But we should remember and understand that this is a JavaScript framework, and JavaScript, besides all the upgrades and like TypeScript, all attempts to make it object-oriented, it's still a functional language. So in other words, you cannot get mistake, or in most cases, you cannot get mistake during your compilation time. Why? Because there is no compilation time. It's functional language, so it just runs. It has another big drawback, and I was always afraid JavaScript. Why? Because I started programming JavaScript approximately, I would say, 15 years ago, and in that time all IDE that I used was Notepad, so you just load a web page in browser and view sources, and it was Netscape Navigator, and then you just it opens by default with Notepad, and you just edited that code and then reload the browser. And one day I misspelled get document by ID, and instead of uppercase I or something like get index, I type it L, and that's it. And I wasted the whole day, and it's 15 years passed, but I still used to afraid JavaScript until I use TypeScript, so it improves a little bit, but still notification about messages, this is a problem. And AngularJs suffers from this problem as well. So the first and probably the most mistake or problem that costed me half a day was that if you try to create a directive, and I will go now to Angular doc. I'm sorry. Angular. And if we open Angular directives, this is IP reference and developer guide, and this is directives, and open one in Planker, we can see a very interesting pattern. So you can see everything works, and you create your directive inside of scripts and module, and this is a test. Okay, where did they hide a directive? Scope name, no, it's just it's not a directive. Creating directives. Yeah. And here's a custom directive, and you can see that it starts from camel case, and when we use directive inside index, we switch it to snake case. So our uppercase is changed to lowercase, and between on edges dash are added, and everything works, you can see. But if you, when you define directive, because I thought that maybe that's because I came from C#, so by default I'm naming everything with a Pascal case. And if you name this to my customer and try it's immediately updates, and you can see that it doesn't work, first of all, until I type and save my, and moreover it doesn't give you any hints why it doesn't work. So I'm not sure how to see output. Go to LinkedIn. I'm not sure that it's available on Plunker, but you can see that it doesn't work, and why it doesn't work, well, good luck in finding. So please make sure that you follow this template, and now we change it back and everything works. The second problem that in unit testing, and I'm not sure that they have unit test in, but we can open factories, and it's called services, using service, and registering service, and let's find the Plunker, and there's no Plunk. Yeah, it's here. So I created my service inside my service with factory method, and I created one service which was real service, and during our tests I planned it in one message and in reply message. Whenever you get a message from index array in real controller, I created one message, and definitely one message service, and definitely in test files I needed to mock it. And I decided to create additional servers, and during a mocking process, just provide this mocking service to both classes, and it didn't work, so it couldn't find you. So whenever controller mocking Angular creator, when I was trying to pass him this my new service, it rejects and but fails silently. And I also until I went to the inside the class and created just anonymous object, copy and paste my service. So I violated dry principle, don't repeat yourself, but maybe at least I don't know the solution for this problem yet. And yeah, this is the two biggest problem that I have. But the rule of thumb, if something doesn't work, first of all check casing, because it's very easy to mistype and misuse case, and especially this type of problems are not they are not displayed any mistakes by Angular. And the second way is just find in your documentation and just try it in Plunker and to see, try to copy like issue by issue and see when it stopped working, and then you will be able to separate the problem. And final solution is just post your question on forums, especially on Stack Overflow. I got very fast answer and it saved me a lot of time. And good luck with Angular. Thank you.